Cadillac Queen, y'all hear me knocking? Well, let me in. As y'all can see, YouTube, got a little party in today. You know, we gonna let it breathe a little bit more. It is summertime. See how I got that one little single one? Now we gonna ram it. Got that ram out set up. What we gonna roll with? I see what the fuck going on. Now let's see if everything fit YouTube. Cut y'all back on when I'm done. Come with a filter included. Bottom, both ducts. We'll cut y'all back on when I'm finished. Alright YouTube, we gonna roll with something like that. Now I gotta bring the hoses out to this side. That's the factory one. We're gonna get rid of that. Bring the other one on this side. We gotta make room. See that? That's the old one. This little hose right here, we're gonna have to plug this vacuum hose right here because we don't need it. Also gonna have to plug this one right here because we also don't need it. Back when I already put a filter in there, I don't know if y'all can look down there and see. Oh yeah, y'all see how you run the duct? The ducting is 4-inch duct hose. Come with one of these on both sides for both ends. Comes with these, which I'll mount those to wherever they're gonna go. And it comes with 2 of them and both clamps. And that's my TPS sensor I had to get y'all. Brand new TPS sensor. Throttle body position sensor. So yeah, YouTube, that's what the fuck we got going on. Hopefully this thing will breathe better. It's Texas, it's hot. So hopefully we get more air going through there. Yeah man, shit dress up and I can drop this little thing at the bottom if I want it to sit even lower. But I might rock like that. I gotta get a longer, what's the name? And what's the factory one that's in there? Gotta get one that's taller. But yeah, YouTube, that's what we got going on. Gotta modify some things, it look like. Just this. See, that's the factory one. I don't know if y'all can see. That's the factory hole. We're gonna try to make it to where we can put this whole thing in there so we can get that full 4-inch on both sides. Alright YouTube, I cut y'all back on. I'll probably do 2 parts of this. There y'all got it YouTube. It's been a minute. Had to give y'all boys one.